Booking.com list your property. How to list property in Booking.com. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can list our property in Booking.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, listing our property on Booking.com is actually quite very simple. You just go to Booking.com first of all. Now when you go to Booking.com, you can see the three lines option located at the top right. So just tap on that three lines option there. When you tap that three lines option, over there you'll find all the options where one of the options says list your property. So all you have to do is just tap on the list your property option here, and once you tap on the list your property option, you should be able to see these options where you can just tap the get started now button. Now if you have already started a registration, you can tap on register account, or you can tap on get started option, and you should be able to fill in all the according details about your property, and then you will be able to list your property. That's all it takes to list your property online on Booking.com. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.